After witnessing a record turnout at polls, Goa anxiously awaits for the results of the popular verdict sealed in the electronic voting machines presently stored under heavy security at VM Salgaonkar College of Law in Miramar and Kare College of Law in Margao. When results are tallied on Tuesday morning, Goans will know who will rule over them for the next 5 years.
The fate of the 215 candidates locked in struggle for 40 seats in the Legislative Assembly will be revealed on Tuesday. The electronic voting machines now rest under lock and key in the heavily guarded strong room of VM Salgaonkar College of Law in Miramar and Kare College of Law in Margao, which are closely watched by a team comprising one Deputy Superintendent of Police, 2 inspectors, 3 sub-inspectors and a company of 70 police and CRPF personnel. Around 151 desks will be set up for counting exercise with 3 to 4 workers at each desk. The exercise will involve a total staff of around 900. Joint Chief Electoral Officer Narayan Navti gave details about the security arrangements for the protection of the voting machines.
Miramar 10 काउंटिंग हॉल्स असतले आणि ते 10 काउंटिंग हॉलांनी पयले राउंडाक 10 कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीज घेतले. मडगांव कारे कॉलेज ऑफ लॉ हांगासर 6 काउंटिंगा घेतले आणि दामोदर कॉलेजान 4 मतदान काउंटिंगा घेतले. पयल्यो 10 कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी जाले उपरांत मागीर दुसऱ्यो 10 आणि ताजे उपरांत 3 अश्यो पणजे घेतले आणि मडगांव पयल्यो 10 आणि मागीर 7 अशे 2 राउंडांनी काबार घेतले. ह्या सगळ्या काउंटिंगच्या अरेंजमेंटा बरोबरच थंय एलोबरेट सेक्युरिटी अरेंजमेंट दोन्ही कडेन केल्ले आसात. काउंटिंग सकाळी सारखे 8 सुरवात जातले आणि ते सगळें सोंपें म्हणसर काउंटिंग थंय उरतलें. म्हाका दिसता सकाळचे 11 पर्यंत काउंटिंगाचो हो जो प्रोसेस आसा तो सगळो सोंपतलो.
The final statistics of voter turnout in Goa reveals that around 4,02,450 male voters and 4,35,487 female voters voted in this election. The age-wise breakdown of voting percentage in Goa stands as follows. North Goa, 18 to 19 years age group, 2.94%. From the 20 to 30 age group, 17.43%. From 30 to 60, 57.15%. And 60 and above, 15.36%. In South Goa, the age group from 18 to 19 years, 3.17%. From the age group of 20 to 30 years, 18.14%. From the age group of 30 to 60, 57.81%. And 60 and above years, 16.33%.